What's up everyone? So we're back and we are back making stock. Again, we've actually got quite a bit done. We're just going through, say there's Merce, say hello mate. We're just currently making all of the snorkel pipes. So we're gonna get a time lapse rolling and you're just gonna watch us constantly cutting pipe and cleaning it, preparing, tacking stuff together and just getting this stock ready to go. Also, we have now got Kova off-road t-shirts. Got that, show that mate. Got the t-shirts. These will be on the website and they'll also be at the Land Rover Owners International. So, right, let's get the time lapse rolling. Let's do it. All the snorkel stock for the show is ready, 2-wing exhaust and all the snorkels, which we've not finished welding yet, but Nathan's on that this week. Right, what's up people? We are on our way to the Land Rover Owners International. We did, from the last video you see that we were getting stuff ready, getting stock ready, getting the disco ready. We've had a bit of a bummer. So the water pump that my dad fitted, unfortunately the water pump was dead and it overheated on the way here. So my dad's had to turn around and we've got no disco for the Land Rover Owners International this year, which is very sad, very upset about it, but we're still going. So in this video it's going to be all about the Land Rover Owners International. You're going to see the setup. Again, sadly the Land Rover's not there, but we're going to try and make a good video out of it and show you what we get up to this weekend. So, it's late right now. I was at the unit last night till 4 o'clock in the morning trying to get everything sorted. And we've been at the unit all day today. We were supposed to be setting off at 2 o'clock, which would have got us there for 4 o'clock. It is now, well, we're getting there for 8:10 because we've just had a bit of a crap day really, just trying to sort everything out, the caravan and whatever else. So, but yeah, so we're going to get set up tonight and then we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, vehicle pass. This is what it's going to look like. We've got these. Yeah, okay. Cheers mate. Alright, do you know where? Quarter to 11. We're still trying to get set up. We've had to pee, so we're all filled with food and we're a bit happier. So we're all dying to get into bed, but we're going to keep going. Right, we're done. Well, we're not done, but the gazebo's all set up. It is 20 to 1. And here we are. All set up in our little area. So this is pretty sick. Quite happy with it, to be honest. So night night, see you all tomorrow. Good morning everybody. So we're up, we're out, aren't we Duty?
Yeah.
We're just gonna get up now and get all the gazebo unpacked and get all the products and stuff all out on the store. So get a bit of breakfast. Right, we're show's going quite well, so we're just having a little wander about, see what there is, and talk to some people, have a look at some friends, meet some friends and that, and just go have a look about. James is dying for some number plates, so we're going to go and get him some number plates as well.
Cheaper one?
Yeah. Listen. No. Horny. All used.
Yeah. Dig and drop the little section down behind.
Oh yeah. Oh, you take that. When you get in, pull that bit down, obviously. Yeah. Wow.
So when you're in it, you've got. I mean, you're tall. You're taller than me, and you still stand up in it, alright.
That's
mint, that is, isn't it?
And then, is that your dog?
Yeah.
Dog's looking off.
No, he's up there with me. Yeah.
So what's it like with the lid down? Is it quiet?
It's quiet, yeah.
There's
no wind noise or anything.
Right.
It's super quiet. Wow. It's just like having the roof rack on.
So do they? What do they make them for? Just disco 2s or?
Yeah, they've got the D2 one on the market now.
Do they make it for a P38?
Good.
Because I think at some point in my life I want to build an overland P38.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can't see why they wouldn't do it. It's not too indifferent from putting this roof in.
Yeah, true.
And then they're doing it.
It's the fitting of it that allows it.
Yeah.
That's moulded to the roof, isn't it?
The whole roof's been cut out.
No, that's what it is. The shape of this.
Oh, the shape of that.
So they'll have to make something that's contour to the range.
So a rip going on and then bolted down, sealed it.
Scary that though.
Yeah, I was a bit worried when we got to Poland.
How did you went to Poland?
I drove there, yeah.
Wow, right, okay.
Yeah.
Well, it looks sick, mate. It's very good.
We'll
I'm going to do some proper rock sliders. Rock sliders, bead locks. I'm going to do some proper bead locks so you can get rid of them arse ones. Get some proper Kova ones on it. But are they actual bead locks or just imitation ones?
Imitation.
Yeah, well mine will be proper bead locks.
You're going to make them like
Proper bead locks, yeah. Rather than imitation ones.
Yeah, let me know.
So we'll get them sorted.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Yeah. The bead.
Are you doing them this year?
This year, hopefully in the next couple of months.
Alright.
We've got a big long list of loads of stuff that we're going to do. So we've got window guards, but you've got that on that side. You put another one on this side.
Yeah.
You're going to do both. Yeah. So that, and maybe some armour, some body armour.
All right. Okay.
We're doing that as well. So that'll all be in the next couple of weeks. Next couple of months. So yeah, keep your eye out.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm going to send you some bits over. Right, buggy whips. He wants one. Just buy them at the price of that.
We've got facing light bars, any colour, any mode, whatever you want.
Just wait, this is chop shop lighting. You make all the everything lighting. This is where you want to go.
So we've got rock lights down there, party lights down here, and then that's the new chase bars for sort of the off-road winch challenge trucks and all that.
And then the whips.
Yeah, got whips, swing panels,
Big old whippy.
big old whips.
Big boys. Well, that is Saturday finished. We're going to walk back, get in a caravan, go to bed,
Get some sleep.
and we'll be back tomorrow for another day. Good night. That's basically Sunday done. Me and James are just having another walk about. We're giving out some air fresheners and stickers and shit. But I think it's a meet and greet and all the race trucks, so we're going to go have a little walk around those, do some videoing, so.
Then pack up.
And then pack up, yeah. Right, that's it, James. That's it, boys and girls. We're pretty much done for the weekend. We're going to get all packed up now and head off home, I think. Right guys, that's LRO 2025 done. Good weekend, yeah, it was lovely. You enjoy it? Good weather. Enjoy it?
Loved it.
Perfect. Thank you everybody. Nice one guys, we'll see you all in the next one.